So many ESL teachers that I know swear by the importance of helping students keep a vocabulary notebook like this one. And that's not just a word list that is given to students, it's one that they build themselves. So you give it to them empty like this, and as the term goes on or the year goes on, they fill it up themselves with words and pictures. My name is Miranda from Twinkle ESL. It is my job to make sure you have a great time teaching English and have all of the tools that you need to have a great time, and your students too. And today I'm going to be teaching you all of the things that you can do with a vocabulary notebook and where to get your hands on this one for free. Let's go. So to get this free one from Twinkle, all you have to do, go to Twinkle, type in Student Vocabulary Notebook, and you'll see it in the search results. Now you can either download and get the small one like this, or if you go to the more downloads option, you can also get the big one, which is twice the size like this. And as you have a look through the PDFs, you'll see that there are different internal layouts options. So depending on the age and the level of your students, you can choose a different one. Or what I would do is pick and mix and have a student notebook which has a few pages of each maybe, so that your students are building up something that is truly unique and creative and special for them.
For really young learners, a picture dictionary is the way to go. They can write and draw their own words, or they can cut and stick in new vocabulary. This is the A to Z dictionary. If you're printing the smaller size, just be careful not to print double-sided, or the wrong letters will end up next to each other. We don't want that. So this is a topic word bank. At the beginning of a module or at the end of a module, you can give students a topic, for example, in this case, animals, and students have to mind map all of the vocabulary that they know around that particular topic. Word of the day is a chance to write down a new word every day. It doesn't have to be from class. It can be from a song or a film that they've heard recently. And when these pages are complete and they're put in their notebook, make sure that these words are not forgotten. They have to be recycled in future classes and games and activities so that they are really cemented in students' brains.
So these smaller ones you can just print and fold in half if you like this. And the bigger ones, of course, I would recommend putting it in a binder if at all possible. And that means that over the term, over the years, you can just keep adding to it and give your students more pages as they progress, add in different sections for different levels or topics. Just keep building so that what they have is really kind of a unique work of art that they've built up over the years. So there we go, that is my top tip. So there we go, that is my top tip for this week. For more ideas and tons of resources, come to the global home of ESL, that is Twinkle. I will see you there. Bye bye.